Today is a very big day for us with a total population of patients approaching 549. This is a busy day for us across all parts of our hospital. Everything is at its max.
Maine Medical Center has really evolved into being the tertiary care hospital of the entire state. As that happens, the most difficult cases come to Maine Medical Center.
The trend is our patients are getting sicker, and we don't have the facility space to accommodate that.
We are working harder than ever to do what we need to do to take care of the patients, and we do take care of the patients optimally. It's just this stress on our staff and on our facilities will continue to grow.
Let's go.
Maine Medical Center has made a commitment to be patient-centered. And one of the essentials of being patient-centered are the facilities that you operate in. We're very excited to be moving on to the next phase of facility planning at Maine Medical Center to live up to that commitment.
These operating rooms were built 30 years ago, but a lot has changed. We've got all kinds of surgical equipments and instruments that are required here.
I would describe it as a very tight obstacle course.
Here's a lot of the equipment that we're currently using in surgery that has no place to be stored. We have to store it in the hallways. 21st century technology is really helping us take really great care of patients. But what's interesting is our facility hasn't changed, and the time has come for it to change.
We're on an adult medical surgical unit called R2, mostly double occupancy rooms. There are unique challenges caring for 2 sick patients in one room.
You can see how congested the foot of the bed is.
Just getting somebody on a stretcher or wheelchair means you have to move all the furniture in and out. It affects everybody that's going in when the room is barely enough room that you can move around.
Sometimes patients are too sick to share a room. Every day we have upwards of 50 beds that can't be used because of patient condition. The bed availability every day is low, and the impact of that is significant on patients who want to come here from the ED, from the OR, from other hospitals, from the doctor's offices.
We opened a new emergency department in 2009, yet our biggest constraint right now is being able to take patients that need to further care in the hospital and move them into the inpatient beds. They often have to bed, or what we call board, down here. That means we have one less bed to move an emergency patient through, and we then start to move into hall beds.
We have become busy enough that there are always patients waiting for that bed. We want the best care for every patient, every time.
In the mother-baby area, we opened that in 2008. It's really worked very well for patients and families where they have privacy, they can sleep, they can have left alone time. It's phenomenal.
What a difference when we look at our Bean 2 facilities here that was opened in 2015. The rooms are very spacious. We have adequate storage areas for all of our cases.
The staff love the new operating room space. It's a whole different world.
What really gets us excited is providing the best possible patient care we can. And it's exciting that we're entering into this next phase, which is going to include additional beds that are desperately needed here at Maine Medical Center, a new parking garage. We're going to be building a new platform here for inpatient and operative suites. This is just part of our original dream that we had going back some 15 years ago.
This is really what we're looking for at Maine Medical Center so that we can continue to deliver the expert care that we've been used to giving, and we continue to do that for many years to come.